Before we start this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to get AdSense approval for Blogger or WordPress site, or you want to AdSense loading services, even you want to learn AdSense loading with complete tools, complete methods, you can contact me, number on screen. We provide these services, also we provide the courses as well. So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, if you have a website or blog, no matter you are using WordPress website or Blogger website, but in same cases you are apply for AdSense approval, and you will see this kind of issue or error. You have already an AdSense account. So today I will guide you how you can fix it. I will share two methods which you can use to remove those error. Also my method is 100% working because I'm working in this field long time ago. So I have experience how to solve it. So this is not on my accounts. This is my account from my you can say subscribers or my customers. Okay, so my customer contact me, it tell me that this is the issue. So I think I will create a video for my subscribers so they can easily solve this problem if they're facing. So let's start the video and let's understand how we can fix it. So here you can see this is an AdSense account. Your account wasn't approved. You need to fix issue before you need to fix some issue before you can use AdSense. Meet AdSense program policies. Okay, so now first thing you have to understand this, there is a two option for you. First, you can continue your existing AdSense account. If you have this email, you can see this first email. If you have this email, if you understand this is your email, and you can sign up and close your AdSense account, or you can continue with this AdSense account. But if you have no idea where is your this email account, so you can close this email account using this steps that share on this article. Okay, this is the article which they share how you can close your AdSense account even you don't remember your email address. Okay, but today I will guide you how you can use the first method. I have this email account, so I sign up in this email account. Now I go to my AdSense account. I want to close this AdSense account, not that AdSense account, because this is the my customer AdSense account have been connect with the many things. Okay, they already connect with the YouTube or something. So now first thing we have to do is we can go this any other AdSense account, and here you can see the account option. Click here. Now here you can see account information. Click here, go down, and here you can see close account. Click here. Now go down again, click close my account. Okay, here is the AdSense for YouTube and AdSense for websites. Okay, so this AdSense is closed. Okay, now go back to your new AdSense account. Now guys, go here, and here you can see I confirm that AdSense program policies. Okay, I read and I'm meeting. Okay, click to resubmit. As you click to resubmit, you have to check your site is added or not. While go there, so there's no site, so you have to add site again. Okay, so it will easily connect it. It will easily get AdSense approval. There is no chance to they can tell you that you do not, we cannot approve your website. So this is the easy step. Okay, you have simply add your site again. If you have no idea how to add site, I share the video in description. You can go and watch and add your site again. I create a site for WordPress websites, also I create a site for blogger websites. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any kind of question or query, you can ask me. Any kind of you need any kind of service or help in a blogging career, you can contact me. Thank you.